Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video, and this hour we must go through an important information and to discuss something that is very important to us. If you're going to join me, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I decided to come online here, just want to stream here because we have to discuss something here. You know, early our broadcast, I was streaming live on our main platform, and we managed to discuss something up there. If you have not watched the video, please go there and watch it. But like the video, give it a thumbs up. And what we are going to talk about here is about Nkere, Akparawa, and CRC. So for your own contribution on this live stream, you make sure you like and share, comment, and tell us where you're watching from. Let it be an interactive program. You can call, just communicate with us. I know most of you, it is too early in your location. Some of us, it is too late, but try your best and do the needful. We have something to discuss. A lot of people have watched this video. Some have not, because the person that made the video is not all that popular. You may say it's not popular, but those who know her know. I don't even know her, but I saw the video from Adadorama and I requested for it, and the video is with me. One of the Nkere member decided to, shake table and hear this. Let us play it and let's see how far we can go on this one. Like I said, just a moment. Let me confirm the beginning. Okay. Let's start from here.
All the plans of the evil ones in this trouble. Yes. One and one nature. One happy house written in me. Or turn on back. Or no one near Ponsui. And the person thinks that no, he moved. No. Any foundation that is laid by lies, by wickedness, by digging of hole can never stand. Or by building cabal can never stand. In this Biafra restoration, in United States of Biafra.
Abidi, I see you. You say hi to you.
Is to tell them that God has served.
What are you? Okay, what are you from? You should be where are you from, not what are you from.
Yes.
You should be where are you from.
Even if it's going to cost
let me respond to this early. Okay, you said what are you from? You should be where are you from. I think you are not an English speaking person. I'm a Biafran, and you, where are you watching from? Akwed, you may reply to me. Where are you watching from? And we have Robolius 11 Ray Gray fan. I am in Tronda. Hello, I am Ray Gray. I don't know what you mean by that. And I don't understand your English. Please like the video, click on like button. This is a live stream. We are live, and make sure you tell us where you're watching from. Your contribution means a lot. I am from Malaysia. Okay, Akwed is from Malaysia. How are you, Akwed? You said again, Ray Gray fan. I am. Okay, you are repeating yourself. If you say Jin, I will ban you. You ban me on what? You ban me on what? Okay, let me just go before we go straight to the program that we have, because I can see that some people are on comment section and they want to participate, even though they're not. The grammatical issue is what I'm facing. I don't understand some of your comments. It's a no is here, not dummy. Don't say hi with an emoji of laugh. Nice to have you guys, and please like the video, click on that button if you don't mind, and tell me where you're watching from. Who again? Keep your comment coming. Okay, let me just give you a few minutes before I start to react on the video that brought us here. Ray Grave from I am intruder. I don't understand you. You are intruder on what? You're intruder. You guys are very funny. Okay, let me actually share this video. I think I need to share it so that people will join us. I don't know. I don't know what I mean by intruder. I don't know what I mean by that. You cannot be intruder in my own platform. It's not possible. I would want to ban you. If I want to ban you, I can ban you. You understand? So your word doesn't add up. Doesn't add up. And you refuse to click on that button. I don't know why. So let me go to the program and so a moment. So let us start proper. This lady called Judith or Sazua, Judith or Sazua, I don't know the person, and I am just I stumble on her video in an I thought I'm gonna use her video to do some reaction, and I asked for the video and I got the video. So why do I ask for that video? I asked for it because there's some confession that she made in this her broadcast that I would like you to pay attention, even though there are some utterances that she made that doesn't really add up, but I don't think it's serious because it could be that she don't understand the main reason why issue about men on ground is what is the way it is. But let's start from her first comment on that. Here it is.
Any foundation that is laid by lies, by wickedness, by digging of hole can never stand, or by breeding cabal can never stand in this Biafra restoration, in United States of Biafra. It can never stand. So is to tell them that God has served a miracle hand, and we go through all processes. Yes. Even if it's going to cost me of using my life as a sacrifice, I will do it. But at the end of the day, you will never know this. You will be coming from one confusion to the other. Because many people have paid a very big price.
True.
In making everything that is happening today to become reality. Those are the people I respect. Those are the people that owns my loyalty, my gallant men, the navies, all of them, all armed forces. They are the people we are supposed to be building. They are the people we are supposed to be giving everything. But some people are not doing it. Some people are trying to create a parallel army, living one that God have given to us. It's like somebody that have a beautiful and humble wife, lawyer. He will now decide to go and marry another wife and forget the one that have laid the foundation of which he is able to breathe. Then you now tell me that that type of man can have peace, or that type of woman can have peace. Can never have peace. Yes. Because sometimes people will find something good in their life. They will not know the foundation of that thing good that is coming into their life.
Okay, let's comment on that. Speaking of men on ground, why COS? And because I think she's referring to COS, even though she don't mention the name, but I already know that she's trying to address COS. That men on ground, you cannot leave the army that you have to form another army. The person you are hearing her voice is a member of Nkere. Now, why she's saying what she's saying is because she may not pay attention, or she may not have paid attention to the issue between COS and men on ground. Men on ground decided not to work with CS, that they prefer to work with Nkere based on the rumor and deceptive move that Nkere have made to convince them or to say one or two things against them. Are you getting the point? So they understand it. Men on ground know that this is what they are saying, this is what they want. Then COS, on the other hand, want to make sure that government is being followed or being, organized the way it should be, without adding any sentiment on that. Some of us don't know that it is not CS fault that men on ground choose not to listen to the government of the day. They choose to do otherwise. Why am not interested about talking about this thing the way I should do? Because I already know how men on ground do react on some issue. Sometimes they feel like you are attacking them when you are telling them the truth. They don't take advice. They always want everything to work the way they want it, even though they are not right. So I don't want to drag them on my platform. Why? Because understanding differs. The way they reason sometimes is different, because ordinarily you should understand that government is government. Yes, you don't like COS, you may not like her, the way she talk, the way she carry herself. That's your opinion, right? But you must understand that government come first. Government come first. You don't just pretend that it doesn't matter, I can say it because you are men on ground. No. You don't like COS, we don't like Nkere. Biafran who control the money don't like Nkere. All you should have done is, since you know your aim and your motive is to protect the land, follow what government said. They don't want to do that. They feel, no, I don't care. It's not my thing. Let me just manage it the way I want. And that is why they have that katakata. From even today, there are still some shaking, which I don't know details about it, but I can tell you the little that I know, things are not all that stable, but it is more stable now than it was. We have Chino Biafra TV. Ụtụtụ ọma Nwachukwu Okike Abiama, nwanne mmadụ ekele dịrị gị, ezigbo mmadụ. Thank you for joining me. Please help me click on that button if you have not, so that others will get to watch it. Please, you can share it. Help me share it to the WhatsApp group or any platform where you are. Share the live stream. Very, very important, because we need to react on this Edith. Is that her name? Is it Judith or Edith? Let me confirm. Oh, Judith or Sazowa. Sounds like a Benin name, but she's speaking Igbo. Anyway, like, I don't know how, to be honest with you. This her channel, she have only 57 subscribers. But from her statement, I can tell you that she's a supporter of Nkere, but now she's confessing and revealing some things, which many of us actually know. But I'm happy to hear that from someone in Nkere camp. Let's go there. Let's listen to her again.
When you try to remove that thing that is good in your life, you begin to make mistakes. You begin to go astray. Today, all of you will understand that those gallant men are the foundation of everything that we are doing. And they always make a difference. Our men was able to collect those things from their hand, negotiate during the time of my prime minister. Today, they are now the second class citizens.
That's the problem. According to her, is she saying the truth? The answer is no. Because the truth is that, like I said, you cannot say that you don't want to work with somebody and you expect this person to be giving you money. You cannot choose to work with somebody that people don't like and you expect people to be giving you money. Guys, just a moment, okay? Let me attend to something very important.
When I hear somebody talking about this today, I feel sad. Yes. There is a joy in heaven in anybody that decides to repent. Yes. Unless they repent. If they repent, they are highly welcome. I want to tell the people that is trying to rebuild parallel army, neglecting our gallant men, that is not going to be well with you. Never. Never. It can never be well with all of you. I know many people. Goes well on a goes well on a B. Sometimes you have good intention, but just because of the people you have around you, you can't be able to make headway. Never. All these things are what my Prime Minister have been going through. Now, some of them are experiencing it to understand that it's so difficult to rule the people of God, because most of them know what they want. Most of them are just there. They will not enter, they will not allow the people that want to enter to make an impact. Yes. I will still be inviting Ima Madabo because he is the head of the ICC. Your conscience can never give you joy or peace unless you take that charter and interpret it just the way God has said it to you to interpret. All of us knows that Nkere is not the right person to be there. At the end of the day, one fateful day, on release the on social media, where we are talking about damage control. Yes, that damage control, God have already taken care of that. Biafrans worldwide have taken care of that, even before Napankata herself. Your wickedness is going to make you to lose everything you think you have given to Biafrans. Your wickedness. Unu na unu gburu, ma unu gburu mo, ma unu gburu ndị ọzọ, unu ga-adabanye n'ime ya. Unu swear away bankata, ejiwebu Simon, hoping that it's not going to come back again. Little do you know that all these are the processes that all of us have to go through, so that at the end of the day, the only person we are going to give thanks is Chukwu Ikabiam, because he is the author and the finisher of autopilots. Yes. He is the author. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ amaghị oke nsi wee jee na Finland. Ọ ihe mere m na Finland. In Finland, they stole my bell. In Finland, they poisoned me, of which I'm running up and down to the hospital every 3 days. Very soon, I'll be going for operation. Maka na ihe ndị mụ na ha si na ha na-achọ Biafra mere. And you think that you can go unpunished. That is the reason why I started that sacrifice yesterday, so that none of you can go unpunished. Yes. Those things that you like most, because eating your manonana, it attracts all insects. When they come, they never go back. When you use a salt to do sacrifice, because you cannot put salt in engine or knock your engine. That is how God is going to knock all your engines. God have knocked all your engines. Because of what we buy, or that result God have destroyed all your networks. unu niile ga-arịpụta ka oke. Ma nke pretendụrụ si na trọza ya mebiri emebi. I'm talking of one of the media things. Only God knows how. Obia dịka gasị na ndị na-achị art film. They read the script of which they are going to interpret. But this group of people, all the script they asked them to interpret, they didn't interpret them well. If you are giving a premium Oscar, I don't think any of them can be able to collect any premium. Let me talk about this belt today. I was going through the bedroom. I don't know if you know, maybe I'm in a room meeting in Finland. I was going towards the bedroom. Nkere, one of the media team. Why? Pretend as if na trouser ya maybe. Yes. She saw me coming. She was trying to fix her belt. An off belt entire. I gave her my belt. I tied her belt. But something happened. Maybe. How can an adult born on Finland cannot collect a belt? The size here. She was there struggling with her trouser, fake trouser. Yeah. This is the person they wanted me to be in the same room with. My spirit anabatanya. She is a witchcraft. I don't even know her name. And I don't care to know her name. I know the effort they put in wanting to collect the belts on you. I was there bleeding. Because the belt maybe. As slim as I am, entire the belt it's like making me feel guilty. And I begin to beg for something I know nothing about. To tell her sorry for that belt. Imagine. I wanted to give her my own Osimba. I remember that she sent someone, different type of people, to come and collect her own belt from me. I was just asking, surprised, the way they came to collect that belt. Expired. Because of how much and you gotta go. The only thing you have to understand that I can deal with you. Those are the media.
Okay.
I remember when they called me to be in the same room with her. The way they described her made me to say no. You gotta go. Yes. And with time, all of you are going to pay dearly for any act you people have done against me without even knowing you people. But all of you know me. You can never go unpunished. Because there's some can never allow you people to go unpunished. Any tears I share for you people, build that network, that cabal. It can never be well with you. They may enjoy my sufferings, my tears. You can never go unpunished. Yes, never. The sacrifice, nothing can stop it. Even if I'm going to the hospital that I don't even know how long I'm going to stay. If I'm going to do the sacrifice for 21 days, I will add extra 2 days to it. As many days I'm going to spend in the hospital, I will extend it to that day. Because I'm going to have to Finland decided to poison me. They would set a different type of trap. Judith How market? Onye Daniel Agwamono na that coat of Nkere that sacrifice made me to see all your faces, one after the other.
Okay, sorry that I had a distraction before, and even that because of that call, I was not able to flow with the video the way I wanted. But let me just touch few things she has said so far. You know, I was talking about men on ground, right? Because she mentioned men on ground. She said that Normandy half of men on ground when I got a former men on ground. That is her own opinion. But she needs to understand what she needs to tell Biafran what transpired, what happened, why CS and Biafran government decided to move on. Is it really their fault, or do we shift the blame to another people? Your guess is as good as mine. But to me, I'm not gonna say much about it. Why? Because it has happened, and everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Why am I talking about this woman and her video at all? It's because there are this confession that she made that the Mama Dahago, is it Mama Dahago or Mama Dahabo? I don't know his name. The man, that Papa that is in charge of dissolved CRC. So many people don't know that group has actually been dissolved. Okay, what I mean by dissolved, they voted in the cabinet to make sure that CRC has come to an end, but they resurrected it again to perpetrate this push me movement of Nkere. And the man and the group have done what they wanted, but unfortunately, Biafran refused to fall in to that plan or that target, and that became an issue. This lady says something that they know that Nkere is not supposed to be there. She is member of the Nkere camp. She's saying what she's saying now because of her encounter in Finland, where they actually poisoned her. That's what she's saying. That at the moment she's going from hospital to hospital, receiving a lot of attacks from different people that she believes that they're all fighting for the same movement. Please, if you are watching me or you're gonna watch later, like this video and comment if you are here live. I want to read your comments to know how many of us that are here. Apart from Wankwo Chisom, there's another person that I have not mentioned their name. The last person before Chisom is Chino Biafra TV. Chino Biafra TV is the one that made a comment before Wankwo Chisom. So please, if you are watching, put your comment so that we know how many of us that are here, in this platform as we speak. Innocent is here. Good morning to you, Innocent. And please, this video we are reacting on is not to attack the woman or to mock her, but to tell you the danger. Those who are shouting Biafra, Biafra with you are basically evil people, not everybody. And imagine what they have done in the secret. Use what they're doing in the public to know what they could do behind the camera. Like Chabaka Jere, who is now from pastor of Redeem to voodoo of Jere Kingdom. Listen, I will take the video back to see if we can meet the place where she reveals something about CRC and Nkere camp before she starts talking about how they're posing her and her personal encounter in Finland. Ebonifai is here with us. Good morning to you. Nice to see you guys. Please like the video if you have not. Very, very important. Yeah, your comment is coming in, and Omili Agnes is here. Omili Agnes, let me open it so that I will not pronounce your name wrongly. Omili, yeah, I got it. It should be Omili. So you said thank God for that. Thank God for what? Thank God for what? Tell us why you are thanking God. Is there anything? Are you happy that they're poisoning her, or are you happy that they're fighting each other? Anyway, let me play that again. Let's go back to that, and okay, let's start from here.
In Finland, they poisoned me.
Okay, no. Let's start from
army. Neglecting our gallant men.
Pay attention.
That is not going to be well with you. Never. Never. It can never be well with all of you. I know many people. Goes well on a A. Goes well on a B. Sometimes you have
what she's trying to say is that she's condemning COS and USB, and now she's condemning her own group, which is okay. That's why she said goes well on a A, goes well on a B, meaning that Nandi or the parallel army, according to her, no matter if I'm. But I would have preferred her to mention why joining that army. And believe it or not, you have to also have army, because the one you have in one location cannot supervise what is going on in another location. But like I said, I don't want the video to be an issue or argument of men or army or no army. My intention to bring her video is to hear her own exposition on Nkere family, this lie group, because they are hiding it. They don't want the video because this woman don't have a lot of much followers. As you can see, she only have 57 subscriber. 57 subscriber. This particular video, she made it 6 days ago, and the total view of this video, because it's a powerful revelation, only 164. My brother is here. Exodus TV, I need your contribution in this in this video because I need you to say something about this revelation. If yesterday we were streaming live on your platform, my brother, I don't have this video. I would have loved us to react on this video. In fact, we may revisit it again, the two of us, because I know you would like to say something about this video. I know you would like to say something about it, but I can't wait. That's why I have to jump online to write on it. Nkere member is, busting the balloon, and it's good to hear. Very, very nice to hear. So the only condemnation that she have actually, tendered to, the only condemnation that she have against USB is army. That they're not giving army money and all that. Like I said, that is somehow controversial. Everybody have their opinion, but the main purpose of this video that I'm writing on now is Nkere and how diabolical they can be. Because they know how to use voodoos. But guess what? If your hands and mind is pure, they're not gonna come after you. Okay? Because God knows his people. They may come after you, but they're not gonna succeed. Okay? I mean, thank God for confusion of the woman. Confusion of the woman. Okay. That's why. So let me not say much. Let's continue.
But just because of the people you have around you, so you can't be able to make headway. Remember, all these things are what my prime minister have been going through. Some of them are experiencing it. To understand that it's so difficult to rule the people of God, because most of them know what they want. Most of them are just there. They will not enter. They will not allow the people that want to enter to make an impact. Yes. I will still be inviting Ima Madago.
So this man is Imam Madago. Okay, this is Imam Madago that she is talking to. Now let us. I just to flip the camera so that you see who is talking.
Because he is the head of the ICC. Your conscience can never give you joy or peace unless you take that charter and interpret it just the way God have said it. So you to interpret. All of us knows that Nkere is not the right person to be there.
Did you hear that? All of us knows that Nkere is not the right person to be there. All of us knows that Nkere is not the right person to be there. Open confession. Clear one. Let me take it back again. Coming from someone who is from Nkere camp, confessing and revealing the way they all feel, but they pretend and focus on CS. Get went again.
Madago, because he is the head of the ICC.
No, what she want to say is CRC, but not ICC. Okay, so don't be confused. Don't get yourself confused about the mistake she made here. It's not ICC. It is CRC, Conflict Resolution Committee, which have been dissolved by cabinet unanimously. They dissolve it. But Nkere, out of through his magomago with this very man here, they resurrected it again to push Nkere, push me, Kochandi Biafra.
Your conscience can never give you joy or peace unless you take that charter and interpret it just the way God have said it. So you to interpret. All of us knows that Nkere is not the right person to be there.
Okay.
At the end of the day, one fateful day, on release on social media.
Meaning that she have audio secrets about what they have done to push Nkere, how they cook up the story, and what happened to PM. She said it here. Again, just pay attention.
Here we are talking about damage control.
One day I will reveal how you guys were talking about damage control. Again.
Yes, that damage control, God have already taken care of that.
Okay.
The fans worldwide have taken care of that.
Okay.
Even before Nakbankata herself. Your wickedness is going to make you to lose everything.
Eze, I see you. Good morning to you, my brother. Nice to see you. Please like the video if you have not.
You think you have given to their friends. Your wickedness. Swear Simon, hoping that it's not going to come back again.
Are you getting the point? Let me take it back again. Tina, I see you. Nice to have you. Welcome back. Simon. Simon. From which group? Okay, Mata reason force we have succeeded. I cannot push him away and you want to rule me. Because the reason why I push him away is because I want to be a leader. Okay, Matifeja force this guy. But I thank God for Biafrans. Okay.
Simon, hoping that it's not going to come back again.
Are you getting that? Simon, hoping that he's not going to come back. Simon, hoping that he's not going to come back. Now that mathematics are long. It is not just ordinary. Something happened that made something to happen. Those who know, we know. No, this woman, no. I'm make confession now. Like open up Finland, I will mobile powder way TL na Nandi mo we now. On I encourage your yaketa. Okay, she may not be saying what she's saying now. In what are the point? Like again.
Kitty, do you know that all these are the processes that all of us have to go through, so that at the end of the day, the only person we are going to give thanks is Chukwuka Kabia.
Okay.
Because he is the author and the finisher of autopilots. Yes. He is the author. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ amaghị oke nsi wee jee na Finland. Ọ ihe mere m na Finland.
Okay.
In Finland, they stole my bell. In Finland, they poisoned me.
How's Zulu bell? How's Zulu bell? Why in Finland? Zulu belt, yeah. They stole my bell. Let me take it back again. Come on, before Kulofuma.
Finland. In Finland, they stole my bell.
Okay.
In Finland, they poisoned me.
Wow.
Of which I'm running up and down to the hospital.
Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that?
Soon, I'll be going for operation. And you think that you can go unpunished. That's the reason why I started that sacrifice yesterday. So that none of you can go unpunished. Yes. Those things that you like most, I hate you with your nature. I hate your nature. Because it's here, Manonana. It attracts all insects.
Sonny said that Nkere will go after her life now, what he knows best. Something Nkere did to Biafran Unite, threatening him not to come out again. But Biafran Unite is still coming out. It's still coming out.
When they come, they never go back. You use the sword to sacrifice on a roll, because you cannot put salt in engine or knock on your engine. That is how God is going to knock all your engines. God have knocked all your engines. Because of what was fire, or what that result on winter. God have destroyed all your networks.
Okay.
Manke pretender. Sina trozia maybe.
Nande happened about a log to Finland. This her story is shocking. Tina said this confession is for our good. Let's not address her let's address her without attacking her. She was sent for a mission in Nkere camp. I thought as much because all the was on her. But nobody's attacking her. Maybe I don't know if Adadorama attacked her because Adadorama has already made a reaction to that. I don't know if she attacked her or not. I don't see anything to attack her here. Just to correct one or two things, like when she talk about sending money to men on ground and trying to lay costs on anyone that is involved. So attacking her, I don't think is nice thing to do. I don't think. Okay, you said that did okay. More confession is to come. Hopefully, that's from Akoye with her. Hopefully.
I'm talking of one of the media things. Only God knows how.
You are not alone. I noticed that also. When phone begins, when phone begin to miss, I come to use it. Where I noticed there will be problem was during the redeclaration, people's phone were missing in the hall. And is it only phone? Somebody say handbag or something like that. People are mean. I know this kind of thing, but Biafran need to also we shall try our best to comport ourselves. If actually people are serious about it, but for Nkere and Imam Madago to like what this man said, if I may we will PM, if I may we will PM. I'm not the one saying that. She's the one that said that. Now let's continue.
They read the script of which they are going to interpret. But this group,
do you know her? But this is my first time of seeing her, to be honest with you. I don't know anything about this woman. Do you know her? Because it sounds like you know her. I said that she was deceived by Nkere, meaning that she was doing good. Is that what you're trying to tell us?
Of people, all the script they acted, they asked them to interpret. They didn't interpret them well. If you are giving a premium Oscar, I don't think any of them can be able to collect any premium.
Tina says she know her.
Let me talk about this bell today. I was going through the bedroom. I don't know if you know the dining room meeting in Finland. I was going towards the bedroom.
Okay, she's good in this struggle. Wow. Yes, I know her. Okay. People are saying good of her. I don't know her personally. That's why you see why it's good to calm down sometimes, because you don't know who is who. I decided not to go all out on her because actually I don't have any reason to do that, because what she said here is her own opinion, and if she's able to call a spade, like she point out what she considered bad in USB, and she mentioned a lot. In fact, this video, to be honest with you, is all about Nkere and their camp. Even though she don't have enough followers, but they're gonna help her to circulate it, because everybody needs to react on this her video. Everybody. I will send it to you, Exodus, in case if you don't have it yet, because I have the video on my WhatsApp. Somebody send it to me. Now here it is.
One of the media team. Why? Pretend as if na trouser maybe. Yes. She saw me coming, or diabetic no more orange. She was trying to fix her belt. An off belt entire. I gave her my belt. I tied her belt.
Yeah.
But something happened. Maybe. How can an adult born on Finland cannot collect a belt? The size here. She was there struggling with her trouser, fake trouser.
Wait, okay, she's the one that designed those things. Wow. She's an artist. Wow. Okay. That's good.
My spirit she is a witchcraft. I don't even know her name, and I don't care to know her name. I know the effort they put in wanting to collect the belt on him. I was there bleeding because the belt maybe. As slim as I am, the belt it's like making me feel guilty. And I begin to beg for something I know nothing about, to tell her sorry for that belt. Imagine. I wanted to give her my own Osimba. I remember that she sent someone, different type of people, to come and collect her own belt from me. I was just asking, surprised, the way they came to collect that belt. Wow. Omega expired. Because of how much and you gotta go. The only thing you have to understand that I can deal with you. Those are the media team I know. I remember when they called me to be in the same room with her. The way they described her made me to say no. You gotta go. Most of you know Bundarurana. Yes. And with time, all of you are going to pay dearly for any act the people have done against me without even knowing you people. But all of you know me. You can never go unpunished. Because there's a mess so can never allow you people to go unpunished. Any tears I share for you people, all you had alone number. Who swear build that network, that cabal. It can never be well with you. Who just when Nolana, they may enjoy my sufferings, my tears. Not only a kiri film, Makanaba your own film. You can never go unpunished. Yes, never. The sacrifice, nothing can stop it. Even if I'm going to the hospital that I don't even know how long I'm going to stay. If I'm going to do the sacrifice for 21 days, I will add extra 2 days to it. As many days I'm going to spend in the hospital, I will extend it to that day. Because I'm going to have to defend.
One call, Chisom, message me on WhatsApp. I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Are you a broadcaster? Do you have channel? If I may ask. Okay, the other guy, you will only be in the event. Tell us now so we can join you, of course, to watch what you're doing on your channel. Let's continue.
And decided to poison me. They would humble her. Set a different type of trap. Nature Judith than in India. How markets? Only than in India.
Hey, Jeff, I see you.
I want mono that coat of Nkere put on in the that sacrifice made me to see all your faces, one after the other. When Adadoro Cho told me that Nkere hate me, I know that he hate me, but what I needed is Biafra. That is the reason why I followed him. Because I know Ngozi, but I don't know them. As he hate the job, they boy, he chose
Wait. That Adadorama told her that Nkere hate her. Yet she still followed Nkere. She said she know Ngozi. I don't understand that, but let me take it back a bit.
That sacrifice made me to see all your faces, one after the other. When Adadoro Cho told me that Nkere hate me,
okay, no wonder Adadorama was attacking you because you called Adadorama. Of course, you attacked. So, Tina, have you gotten your answer now? Because the woman called her Adadorama. So, of course, she will respond to you. Who will accept that kind of thing? Akoya with excuse me. So one call said, I am not a broadcaster, but I will put okay. Akoya with but it being there didn't position her and had given her position. Had it been there, okay, had it been there, they did not position her and had given her position, will she be confessing to them? There's something you said before then. You said she know how they betrayed PM and she kept quiet, waiting for what time, which is a very good question. Ejofo, I love you and you are a good job. Carry on. Thank you. One Chisholm said, I'm not the broadcaster. Okay, I think I've gone through that one. Okay, with it, she never see anything. Tina, guys, why you don't click on the like button? Please, you should like the video. Sonny, of course, there is no Biafra who doesn't know that Nkere is not suitable for the position he was imposed to take up. Yeah, some of them pretend. Some of them pretended that no, that Nkere is the right person, right? She said it here that all of us know that he's not supposed to be there. Then what is he doing there then? Came from my country and the course. You can go back. Course. Let's continue.
What I needed is Biafra. That is the reason why I followed him.
No, take it again.
swear, build that network, that kaba. It can never be well with you. Kunu swear, when no
Okay. I think I understand, because to be honest with you, I don't watch Ada like you guys think you. I don't know much about what she's saying, to be honest with you. It's only when people share it, then I will concur. Brent Steven said, I really don't know why Nkere group cannot get tired of sabotaging this struggle. Ngozi being strong for us, please. Ngozi be strong for us, please. They will what that thing. That's from see you. I see you. That's from Jeffrey Exodus. Their pretense shall hold them down, like in no distant time. Exactly. You will understand why Judith addressed her like that. Okay. You're right. Okay, let us listen to her again.
Can never allow you people to go unpunished. Any tears I share for you people, all you had alone number. Who swear build that network, that kaba. It can never be well with you. Who swear when Nolana, they may enjoy my sufferings, my tears. Una not only kill film, Makanaba your own film. You can never go unpunished. Yes, never. The sacrifice, nothing can stop it. Even if I'm going to the hospital that I don't even know how long I'm going to stay. If I'm going to do the sacrifice for 21 days, I will add extra 2 days to it. As many days I'm going to spend in the hospital, I will extend it to that day. Because something when I had to Finland decided to poison me, they wouldn't harm me. Set a different type of trap, nature can Judith than in India. How markets? Onye than in India. Abwa mono na that coat of Nkere put on in a nofu. That sacrifice made me to see all your faces, one after the other. When Dr. Ocho told me that Nkere hate me, I know that he hate me, but what I needed is Biafra.
Okay.
That is the reason why I followed him.
Okay.
Because I know Ngozi, but I don't know them. As they hate the job, they born, he choose off. Can't cheat destiny.
Meaning that she know Ngozi, and to her Ngozi is worse than Nkere. Wow. That you don't know, you know Ngozi, but you don't know the meaning. You prefer to go to the Nkere that you don't know than Ngozi that you know. It's even a Goku that the devil you know is better than angel that you don't know. Anyway, let's continue.
I was opportune to know all of you. Your mindset and the type of Biafra you are fighting for, of which nothing good come out of there. That you have failed woefully. You have failed woefully. Because the day we come, Mama, that we stand up and interpret that chapter of those who's recording. Because someone will here, and we come here and say things that you can't even imagine. So that Biafrans, we don't choro go to where Biafra Unite interpret the chapter. But the people that is supposed to interpret the chapter, they didn't do it well. They were biased. How can you ask the house to unite when already you have changed everything? To unite to do what? To come and become floor members. Sometimes people think they are intelligent when their empty skull will be telling them what to do. You people are going to pay a very big price in every act against the children of the Most High God. Against the children of the Most High God. You are going to pay dearly. Because the children of the Most High God had nobody cares for them. Also, such a boy that cares for all of them. That is how the children of the Most High have to be. They fly in harmony. They fly as if they don't have anything to think about. You got that? Yes. As these trees are naked, all the cabals infiltrated in the two groups. God is going to battle in auto. You will come out and confess. Even if your confession is not going to be complete, but you will confess. Yes. Because God have arrested all of you, most of you are coming out to do damage control. Of which your damage control cannot go so far. Because God has beat you. Most of you doesn't even sleep at night. I don't sleep at night, but with good reasons. To be able to deal with all of you. Because most of you are witchcraft. Most of you practice witchcraft. I remember when I was cutting the letters, unity, equity, justice, and personal progress. Mazu Woma called me and told me that Mazu Simon Choketinye progress never. That same person, going to progress. This video we have Mazu Woma. Eguya no Buhesu Madoko. Because no Kobuna Nebuno, nature Yagada Banini, Amos God. What you practice is witchcraft. Don't worry, very soon I'm going to pay you your €100 give to me. That I told you that I'm going to give you in Finland. The same happy that I want to use it to sow in my life. I don't need that type of money. But I did buy your mother. To practice witchcraft.
My brother, I greet you too.
Madagajuke, what do you have against Mazo? I have a lot against him. Makana John Matako. Amusuko. Yes. Amusu Kobo. Those people that is happy that only hold Jinaka. You are going to pay dearly for every act you have operated against me, against this Biafran restoration. I'm going to return all your money. You got to go. Mankuno could send a ticket of arm, borrow meeting or Cherokee to the Titania. I'm going to return all those money. It's a question of time. God is going to provide for me to return those money. When you were telling me not to refer to anybody when I was molding that coat of arm, I should refer to only Prime Minister and European rep. I never knew you have another European rep that you are referring to.
Yes, I see you.
You can see you are not coherent. That meeting was able to dismantle everything you have against me. That meeting, we made that meeting, we left in all Italian group. Italian group Arorana. You got a Italian group Arorana. Yes. All the witchcraft. No. My Prime Minister set to check or set up na Italian liaison. Even council, Prime Minister say picture. Prime Minister make or what it's not about pictures. You see Yahweh so picture. It's not about that. This woman identified me and began to send me message in Chinese woman call. When she approached me and said, I'm preparing things that I want to take to Finland. Osina ya support them. Cheno Bia Kojina Gigi will support them. Mpucha cut of arm, all of a sudden, Obia. Sim that project, how far? How just chelu? Can Pucha cut of arm? Mazo Wama, Nemego Kanji post a cut of arm. When I come, he refused to bring the money. He wasted time so that all the witchcraft will come out to give me money to post it, to put me in the cage. How market? How market?
Now, wow.
That you can put in the cage. Very soon, I'm going to tell your story in a very big dimension. Because the first trap Uno set, just set here. I remember that first day. I remember that I told that I'm putting effort in this coat of arm. Or someone also, she's going to end the call. Chai. Wickedness is very bad. Channels. And channels are someone woman. I never knew that other cabas under the ground is among the molding of the coat of arm. I calculated in her year. And that Roger put the coat of arm. And I said, Naya, of which she knows about the new one. Judith, don't tell anybody unless PM. But a lot of people knew about the coat of arm. So some bureau, because I was not minding what they are doing, I was only concentrated to make sure that that coat of arm, the call for unity, will be established against all their witchcraft. Against all their witchcraft. When we are in Finland, trying to go back, Nsimazu Woma give me money so that I can be able to pay people that borrowed me money. Or changing. European rep, Mazuchi, wanted to give me the money. He requested for my phone number, I gave to him. I never knew that I didn't want to know what's up. But Mazu Woma was able to go and give those money to Ngozi Ohabese. I refused the money. Age will send the coat of arm, Nejema, to pay it. That money, people are going to pay it, whether you like it or not. You have paid the major part of it, but the remaining one, you are going to pay it. You got to go? Because the money is not mine. You told me I should borrow money to do it. Up to today. You people have just succeeded in paying one part. Okay, that's not my fault. I want to tell you today that the evil that men do is with them, not after death. Any evil any of you have done against me, or against this struggle, or against the children of the Most High God, you are going to pay in 100-fold. I'm one so good. I'm one faithful then whether I can go in enough. I just feel like putting this one down to tell you how evil you are. Because she will need it to save the husband. As many of you that have do anything, one or two things against me or against the struggle or against any children of the Most High, go down. And I get you popcorn when I care. Yes, because you are evil. You thought that I cannot be able to achieve the good of arm. You thought. You never knew that God have a reason for that coat of arms. United States of Biafra, imagine United States of Biafra, of that caliber, can never we don't want to call for unity. That means the coat of arms they won't have value. Because the energy coat of arms, all the whole positive energy that I have inside me, and that's one baby to see your faces one after the other. You are wicked. I'm not sure what it's Judith and Akpa. No trap when I send them on him. For Judith. Judith is the Minister of Arts under Simon Ekpa's command. So, create your own Minister of Arts. To an extent in that meeting, I was calculating to them how many dragon Meko. I was trying to tell them, one of them, which we will not trap, I have settled on.
Okay, my people, we have to end the video now. I did not say much about this video because I'm rushing to somewhere. Please bear with me. We may revisit again if need be. Thank you so much, and God bless you for joining me this hour. So I'm rushing to somewhere now. In fact, I'm actually late. God bless you all, and see you again. Bye bye for now.